Hey, welcome again to English with Varas. Today we are going to learn advanced phrases that will help you sound like a native speaker. Birds of a feather flock together means people with similar interests and tastes come together. Birds of a feather flock together. Every evening, many cricket players get together on the cricket ground. You know, birds of a feather flock together.
Birds of a feather flock together అంటే ఒక గూటికి చెందిన వ్యక్తులు ప్రతి సాయంత్రం క్రికెట్ ఆటగాళ్లు మైదానంలో కలిసిపోతారు. ఒక గూటికి చెందిన వ్యక్తులు ఒకే దగ్గర కలుస్తారు. Every evening, many cricket players get together on the ground. You know, birds of a feather flock together.